Hello and welcome. I'm Gunjan Bidani and you're watching today's edition of our COVID-19 bulletin, where we bring you daily updates on the scientific efforts being undertaken in the country to fight the dreaded coronavirus. To make masks more effective, scientists from the Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Kanpur aims to make N95 and N99 masks with enhanced antiviral and antibacterial properties. The usual N95 and N99 are anti-pollution masks which filters particulate matter. These masks, however, fail to protect from microbes which are smaller in size, like the coronavirus. The mask made by the IIT researchers will have a smaller pore size which will not allow microbes to pass. Also, the mask will have antiviral and antibacterial nanocoating which will kill the microbes. IIT researchers are developing and upscaling such a mask with support from the Department of Science and Technology. These masks are made up of nanofibers developed from polymers like chitosan, polycaprolactone, polyethylene terephthalate, and polypropylene. Along with these, the masks will have antiviral and antibacterial nanoparticles as well. The mask will be designed and fabricated in such a way that it can be washed or sterilized for reuse multiple times. This will also make masks more affordable and environment friendly. Let's hear more from Professor Sri Sivakumar from IIT Kanpur.
Center for Nanoscience at IIT Kanpur is working on the development of reusable N95 and N99 masks. The mask will have antiviral and antibacterial property, and it will give very good comfort in breathing. The product is developed using electrospun nanofibers. The mask has nanoparticle which has antiviral and antibacterial property. It will have a small antiviral and antibacterial molecule to deactivate virus and bacteria. The mask will have multiple layers which will filter the particle anything more than 100 nanometer. The mask will give good breathing comfort, that is, it will have a very minimal pressure drop. The project is supported by DST Nano Mission and helps us to get commercialized. Our industry partner is eSpin, a spin-off company from IIT Kanpur Nanoscience Unit, SIAC. The director of the company is Dr. Sandeep Patil. The company is a pioneer in development of air filters.
We have a patented technology to produce a nanofiber with a capacity of 1000 meter to 10,000 meter per day. We are going to use the same technology with a chemical engineering department, Nanomission, and the chemistry department to produce antiviral and antibacterial face masks with a reusable characteristic of the order of 50,000 to 1 lakh masks per day.
This is a collaborative project between chemistry department and chemical engineering department. Dr. Raja Angamuthu from chemistry, Dr. Gopakumar from chemistry, and myself from chemical engineering department involved in this project.
To contain the spread of COVID-19, scientific institutes of the country are coming up with innovative ideas. One such innovation is NeerWash, which has been designed, developed and installed by scientists of Nagpur-based CSIR's National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. NeerWash is a foot-driven washing point where hands can be washed with soap or sanitizer. Such machines are especially useful in the community or public places, as it does not require to be operated through hands, which can be a source of infection. Let's hear more about this new machine from Sushant B. Watt, who is a senior scientist at the CSIR NEERI.
Yeah, NeerWash is basically a hands-free hand washing system which is being developed in short period based on the advice of our director Dr. Rakesh Kumar. This is in line with our CSI 800 activities, under which we have developed the low cost and affordable sanitation technology by the name NeerFlush, which is also automatic mechanical flushing system. Presently, looking at the COVID situation, we know how much important is the washing a hand using a water and soap, but at present the hands-free hand washing system uses the electronic infrared sensors which has been available in the market, and but the limitation with this is that sensor system is very costly. They require constant source of power source, and more prominently, it may not be possible to use in all general public places. However, the developer Nirvash is basically a engineering intervention in which the mechanical mechanism is used for dispensing soap and water without touching by hands. That is, it is totally a hands-free system. Instead, it uses the pedals which been operated by the foot. Thus, it reduces the chances of hand contamination while washing hands in public places. The few units of this Nirvash is already been installed at our office at Nizhi Nagpur. It is demonstrated, and we are testing its robustness and its working, so that if any rectification is required, it can be done and then it will be put in a market. Already few companies has approached us and we are in talk with them.
Smart cities of our country are utilizing science and technology to manage the ongoing coronavirus crisis. For example, Agra Smart City and Kalyan Dombivli have created GIS dashboards which show various hotspots, heat maps, positive cases, recovered cases, etc. The dashboard is updated on a daily basis and can be accessed from this link. Agartala Smart City has designed and handed a mobile COVID-19 sample collection kiosk. These kiosks ensure the distance between the healthcare workers and patients. It will also save a lot many personal protection equipment or PPEs. Many cities like Varanasi are using drones to sanitize sensitive zones in order to contain the spread of COVID-19. Apart from these, various mobile apps are being created and used depending on the needs and requirements of different cities. These were just a few examples of how science and technology are playing an important role in our battle against the coronavirus. And we will be bringing many more stories just for you. With this, we come to the end of this edition. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Till then, stay safe. Namaskar.